GoPro battery umbrella.
What?
Welcome to What's up YouTube? Ken with KDL Hotshot here, and I guess this video was for pretty much all YouTubers and anyone out there who actually does stuff in the sun. So I've been complaining on my videos nonstop about my camera dying, right? So what's been happening is it's black. Here's my setup. I'll explain it in a second. But the sun keeps beating on this thing when I'm doing my loading, and it sits out there for 20 or 30 minutes and the sun shuts down, so then I lose all my footage, right? Or I don't catch my footage of me loading my truck and doing chains and everything else. So I was going to buy a whole new GoPro setup. I'm like, okay, I'm just going to, I'm doing enough YouTube now that I could justify the expense. Unfortunately, I went through and looked for a new GoPro 10 with the media package plus a battery, because this is an external battery. So the GoPro external battery it's pretty cool. It's got a little button on it and turns everything on and off, yada yada. But the whole package is like almost $700. So I was like, well, wait a second. Another problem. So I have a GoPro 7 Black is what I'm shooting on right now. My battery life has been like, it's just zapping. So I'm assuming the battery's gone dead. So what I did was I went on Amazon and ordered a couple of new batteries. We're going to see if that fixes it. But I know that once this thing sits in the sun, it's just going to shut down, right? Because it overheats. You leave your phone in the sun, it'll overheat. So I was like, what am I going to do about this? So I did a little research, and I think I've come up with a solution. If you're like me and you've got some experience with GoPros, or you've had GoPros over the years, I've had GoPros for motocross, I had GoPros for car racing, I race rally cars, rally cross. Oh, look at that. Here's a stage rally that I won in 2020. This is Sandblast, which is in North Carolina. And as you can see, first place driver, because I was the driver, and there was another trophy for my co-driver. Oh, I did put up some of the videos, but you guys didn't like them very much, so I took them down. But back to the point. You've had GoPros over the years, so you most likely have a ton of this stuff laying around, right? They're mounts and different things. So how do you make all this cover your GoPro in the sun? So this is what I found. I'm just setting my GoPro on a little speaker right now. So this is what I found. Shade tubes. Hopefully that's a good shot. Shade tubes. Look at this. So it was designed for, you carry this little tube around, and it was designed to keep your drink. You know what? Let me zoom in right there. Original drink umbrella. How funny is that? So, open it up. It's got this cute little umbrella in it, right? And it functions just like a regular umbrella. So, at first, it's designed to go like this. Put this in here. You put the top back on. And then it came with little legs. So you just stick the legs in there. Oops. You stick the legs in there. Well, this is not going as smoothly as I hoped. You get the point, right? There you go. There. And there's your new drink umbrella. How cool is that, right? Shade tubes is what they're called. Oh, this is not a paid endorsement, by the way. Nobody is paying me to do any of this. So the idea was, okay, let me put my GoPro underneath this thing. Okay, that doesn't work. And then that gets us back to the point of all this. So I said, what do I got here? Here's a handlebar mount. Let's see. This umbrella really can just screw into anything or sit into anything. So how do I make this sit on top of my battery? There it is. Handlebar mount on my battery. My battery is a ULANZI. It's 10,000 mAh. It was off Amazon. It was like 50 bucks. I still have the crazy glue mount. Crazy glued together mount. And it allows me to just... Oh boy. Man, having a GoPro when you have something to set it on is a lot easier. So it just allows me to plug in my bat. This, and then that goes into the side of my GoPro right there. So it works and keeps the battery charged up. Again, all this stuff is getting destroyed by the sun. Now we've got our handlebar mount on our battery. Put in one of these. So here is the umbrella again. Man, it's nice when you can actually set your GoPro down. I have to move something. There we go. Oh, there's my rally car, by the way. The one I won the race in. Got the umbrella now. Take that guy out of there. And what we're going to do is just screw a diameter hole right there so it'll slide down in it. Boom. I think this is going to work and it's going to look pretty cool. The shade tube, that's the diameter hole I need, right? So I've got my drill bits here. Hopefully that works angle-wise. Does that work angle-wise? Hopefully that works angle-wise. 9:30 seconds. Ha! First guess. That is perfect. Okay. So we're going to take... The GoPro is actually charging as we speak. So we're going to take this 9:30 seconds and just drill down into here. And that's where the umbrella should fit. We've got the GoPro attachment in the vise. Looks to be quite level, so we're just gonna go right down here. Take two. All right, that's not quite working. That's not working. We're gonna have to bump that up. Yep, I can't get that in there. Huh, interesting. You figure the drill bit went right through on that hole, but so we're gonna bump up to the next size drill bit. Okay, that was a 5/16. There we go. There's some plastic shroud still in there. You know what? I'm probably crushing it. Let's take it right out of the vise and see if that does it. Solid. Solid as a rock. Look at that. All right, here we go. We've got our mount. Which way are we gonna do this? Up or down? Well, we go down with it. A little more plastic to hold on the bottom. Screw that in. That looks level. GoPro battery. Umbrella. What? Come on now. That is pretty cool. I guess in theory you could rotate it too to where the sun is. Okay, so this has worked out way better than I thought it was. I think Shade Tubes, you should be sending me some money. But yeah, here we go. I think we're done. That is turned out better than I thought it was gonna look. Yeah, that looks really cool. And it is nice and solid in there. So a 5/16 bit, handlebar mount, another mount, changing your direction on your GoPro. So I guess this would be a 180-degree mount. Drill it out with a 5/16 and you have a perfect umbrella for your GoPro. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. Truck is being updated as we speak. A bunch of stuff is coming in from Amazon tomorrow. So we're gonna get working on increasing the battery power in the truck. New surprise, but a new generator is on the way. I will give a little backstory and we'll show what we've got coming up on the next video. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. See you later.